Use someone's name often in conversation. People love to hear their own name. It builds rapport and makes them feel valued. Mirror body language subtly. Mirroring someone's posture or gestures creates subconscious trust and connection. Stay silent after asking a question. People tend to fill silences, often revealing more or agreeing faster. Nod while speaking. This nonverbal cue encourages agreement and makes people more likely to say yes. Give a reason, even a small one. Using because increases compliance, even if the reason isn't strong. Use the foot in the door technique. Start with a small request. Once accepted, ask for something bigger. The power of touch when appropriate. A light touch on the shoulder can increase trust and compliance. Repeat key points for persuasion. The more people hear something, the more they believe it. Mere exposure effect. Stand or sit beside, not across. This reduces confrontation and creates collaboration instead of conflict. Use the Benjamin Franklin effect. Ask someone for a small favor, they'll like you more for doing it. Match energy, not just words. People respond to emotional tone as much as, if not more than, actual content. Make eye contact when making a request. It signals sincerity and increases your chances of success. Offer limited options to guide decisions. Too many choices overwhelm. 2 to 3 options lead to faster decisions. Use we instead of you or I. This fosters a sense of team and unity, lowering defenses. Lower your voice slightly at the end of sentences. It signals confidence and makes you seem more authoritative. Break big requests into smaller steps. Small commitments lead to long-term agreement. Commitment bias. Ask for advice, not help. People feel smarter and more respected, and are more likely to assist. Create scarcity to boost value. To make anything feel urgent, whisper it. The brain sees it as important. If someone's watching you work, pretend you're already confident. Your brain will catch up. When someone is mad, ask them, "Are you okay?" It breaks their emotional pattern. Say "you're right" instead of "I know." Feels respectful, but you still win. Hold something while talking in public, like a pen or paper. Makes you seem more in control. Want to be remembered? End a conversation with something unusual, not "goodbye." Need help but don't want to beg? Say, "What would you do if you were me?" Smile slightly when you first meet someone. Just 2 seconds. Triggers trust. People believe confidence over facts. People want what's limited, whether it's time, access, or items. Use storytelling instead of plain facts. These stories are 22x more memorable than facts alone. Smile genuinely. It's contagious and makes people trust and like you more instantly. Say it like you mean it, even if you don't. Don't chase. Pause. People are more curious about what pulls away than what runs after them. Want to win trust fast? Match their tone, speed, and body language subtly. Say, "I need your help." And most people won't say no. It triggers empathy. Want someone to like you? Ask them to do you a tiny favor. It tricks their brain into thinking they care about you. Use these tricks wisely. Psychology is a power and it's in your hand. If you found this video interesting, please share, like, and subscribe. Facts Lover.